It's an early start at Thainstone Centre, on the outskirts of Inverurie.
We've got a car boot sale today. We are my rubbish, as Andy would cry it. It'll take me about half an hour to unload the van, because there's so much stuff.
There's space for at least 200 cars, selling every conceivable household item.
I didn't get half a fix in here, actually. So just get Athen out, because we can't see Athen for Athen here.
A past our perfect time out.
Aye, I didn't fit for her, like.
Val's roped in her friend Stacey Davidson and Crown and Anchor regular Simon Leask to help her out.
Here, did I sell these? I'm wanting to keep these.
She come out at 6:30 in the morning to help her adopted ma, because she says she's only out to see what she can get, like. This is fit for needing. I'm going to put a doll's house up here.
The same doll's house that Val bought for £6 and is hoping to sell for at least 10 times that.
They wanted, they can sort their loo and all in their sale. I'm going to ask 80, but I'll take it to 60. I'm not going to take less than that. Okay, I can't, I didn't pay much for it, but I'm not going to take less than that.
The sale can attract up to 5,000 people. All of them looking for a bargain.
Is there no face on it?
No, there's not meant to be a face on. She's meant to be like that. Here, you can hear for £4. I did have a honest. He'll be back.
Val, you're a great lad.
Just take what you can get for it.
Okay.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
But Val's sales technique is failing to attract any buyers.
Are you not buying that, you miserable little What a grit.
I like.
Hey, you buy something off a stall.
Dad, just leave things properly.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, this is the second time I've done this for her. She was supposed to get rid of all her rubbish last time, but she moved house, but she never did, so this is why we're back again. Better get rid of it today.
That doll's house, Mum.
Excuse me, dollhouse, how much you want?
£60.
£60.